This video is sharing you our UV printers. There are our Flatbed UV Printer factory working shop. We can produce different size Flatbed UV Printer with China factory good price. You can see now, there are our production line for producing the machines. This is 60 and 90 Flatbed UV Printer. We are make the printer with 2 or 3 heads. Very fast printing speed and good quality. We provide customers with whole set of application solutions and colorful glittering glass with products of high quality and excellent sales performance. Our company has become a rapidly developing manufacturer and facilitator of UV digital printing equipment. Based on the experience of our products application in all walks of life, the world over.